We're going to review the Zulay Frother today. The model number is B082314NFL. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. So the Zulay Frother is a great little kitchen appliance. It has an all plastic handle, has a steel little rod with a little spring at the end that goes down into your liquid that you're going to froth. One cool thing about this is if you look at the back of it, it has a notch in the back where you're supposed to put your index finger, wrap around and hold it, and you use your thumb to operate it. Another thing that comes with this is the stand. The stand's really awesome because it just slides in just like this, and you can take it and set it off out of the way in your kitchen, so it takes up very little space. You do not have to use any power cords with this because it's battery operated. All you do is pull this little lever at the back, the whole back pops off, and you'll put your batteries in. So to show you how this works though, is you're going to take your liquid that you're going to froth, whether it's whole whipping cream, half and half, milk, whatever it is. You're going to wrap your finger around like I showed you a while ago, and you're going to froth. And what it's going to do is it's going to add air to your mixture and thicken it up, make it almost like a whip type cream. And if you notice now, I'm way up higher than what I was. So it works really great for that, and you can take that and put that in your coffee or on your hot cocoa or whatever it is that you're drinking. And you can also mix. So if you're putting cream or sugar or anything in your coffee or your teas, you can use this to mix as well. And you can put a little powdered cocoa in here, just like that. And you do the same thing. Wrap around, hold it, and you start frothing. And it mixes it up extremely quickly and very efficiently. Now to clean this, you can actually clean it underneath the sink water. Turn on your sink and let water run over it and just go ahead and hit it just like that and it'll clean. Or you can take a cup with water, put it down in it and clean it as well. And as soon as it's clean, take your little holder, put it back in the holder just like this, and put it back over in the corner. That simple. There you go, guys. The Zulay Frother is an awesome product. And if I was going to rate this product on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it a 5. It's very easy to operate, does not take much in the way of power except a couple of batteries, and it sits on its own little stand and it's back out of the way. You can't go wrong with this one, so pick yourself up a Zulay.